Hello all and welcome to Cool Coder Gel. Today we are going to see how to make a sound level detector on Scratch. So it will look like something like this. Now as I'm speaking, this arrow moves towards the level of my volume. So when I'm not speaking it goes to green, and when I'm speaking loudly it goes to yellow or sometimes red. So let's get started. First of all, create a new project like this and delete the scratch cap, and then make a new sprite and rename it to level. In this, you are going to draw a rectangle. Make sure it is in center. Make the fill color to green, and then select this rectangle, and while clicking shift you must rotate it like this. Now we want to duplicate this but same in the same direction. So press the Alt key and drag it to make a cloud. Now using the Shift key you must change the direction like this and bring it down. This will be the orange level or the yellow level. The color must be something like this, and the last level is the red level. So while clicking the Alt key, drag the yellow level. While clicking the Shift key, rotate it and bring it below. Now change the color of it to red. Now while pressing the Shift key, select all the rectangles and bring them in the center. Set X to 0 and Y to 50. So it will go here. Now we will group this just in case and make a new sprite. This will be the arrow. This is going to be a arrow just like this. I am going to set the fill and outline to black. Make sure it is in center and then make the size bigger. Now how to make the arrow head top at the top here. Press the Shift key and draw a perfect square. Now using the reshape tool, make a node over here and delete these two nodes. Make sure the node is in perfectly center, and this must be pointed. So we have our arrow kind of thing here. And now we are going for the scripting. The script is very easy. When green flag click, forever, point in direction. I did that from the Scratch add-ons extension which I have had it. Point in direction, multiplication operator, loudness. Now what does the loudness do? When I am speaking here, the loudness will be increasing. So that's how the loudness will go to voice. Loudness into 1.8. So let's see that. So see this, it is working. So that's it for this tutorial, and hope to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye all.